How's your gut doing? No, seriously. If your gut was a club, would it be a lively dance party with probiotics and good vibes, or is it more like a deserted ghost town where bacteria are just hanging out getting bored? But here's the good news. You can totally turn your gut into the hottest club in town. I'm talking probiotics, gut health, and all the natural ways to boost your digestive system with some real deliciousness. Ready to get your gut groove on? Before we go any further, just a quick heads up. I'm not a doctor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet. Ready to find out probiotics versus prebiotics, what really matters for your gut? And trust me, you'll want to know about these. Let's dive in. First things first, let's quickly talk about why gut health is so crucial. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, often called the microbiome. These little guys aren't just chilling, they're working 24/7. They help break down food and absorb nutrients, produce important vitamins like B12 and K, protect against infections, communicate with your brain to influence mood and cognition. That's a big job, right? But here's the kicker. If your gut's balance gets thrown off, it can lead to issues like bloating, fatigue, and even immune system dysfunction. When your gut is unbalanced, bad bacteria can overgrow. This can lead to bloating and digestive discomfort, low energy and fatigue, weakened immune system, skin issues like acne or eczema, mood swings, and even anxiety. Researchers call your gut your second brain because the gut produces most of your body's serotonin, the happiness hormone. So yes, your gut really does affect how you feel emotionally. Think of your gut as a garden. When you water the good plants and remove weeds, bad bacteria, your garden flourishes. Neglect it, and guess what? The weeds take over. That's why probiotics, the good bacteria, play such an important role in keeping things running smoothly. So now that we know how important gut health is, let's talk about probiotics, the superstar gardeners of your gut. All right, so what exactly are probiotics? Probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that are good for your gut. Now you're probably thinking, wait, isn't bacteria bad? Nope. These good bacteria help keep the bad bacteria in check, which is crucial for digestion and overall health. They keep bad bacteria in check, aid in digestion, reduce inflammation, support your immune system. Not all probiotics are created equal. Different strains do different things. Great for digestion, supports immunity, and helps reduce inflammation. Helps fight diarrhea and gut infections. Think of probiotics as the friendly neighbors in your gut community. They make sure everyone behaves, the streets are clean, and your city thrives. Okay, so we know what probiotics are, but how do you know if your gut actually needs them? So, how do you know if you need more probiotics? Here's your gut check quiz. If you answer yes to any of these, your gut might be asking for a little help, feeling bloated or gassy after meals, struggling with constipation or irregular digestion, constantly tired or low energy, skin issues like acne, eczema, or rashes, mood swings, anxiety, or brain fog. If you're nodding along, it might be time to show your gut some love with probiotics. Even sugar cravings can be a sign that your gut bacteria are out of balance. Those pesky cravings might actually be your bad bacteria calling for reinforcements. Now that we know the signs, let's talk about the most delicious probiotic foods you can add to your diet today. Here's the fun part. Eating probiotics is easier than you think, and it can be delicious. Let's go through the top foods. 1. Fermented vegetables. Fermented veggies like kimchi and sauerkraut are top tier when it comes to probiotics. These veggies are packed with live bacteria that help with digestion and improve gut health. Plus, they're a tasty way to add some crunch and flavor to your meals. Bonus, they're loaded with fiber, so they're doing double duty to help your gut. 2. Yogurt. Next up, yogurt. This is probably the most well-known source of probiotics. Yogurt made with live active cultures is packed with good bacteria. But here's a fun fact. If dairy isn't your thing, no worries. You can also find probiotics in kefir, which is a fermented milk drink, and even some cheeses like Gouda. So, find your favorite fermented dairy and enjoy. 3. Kombucha. Kombucha, have you heard of it? It's a fermented tea, and let me tell you, it's like a party for your gut. Not only does it help with digestion, but it's packed with probiotics that support a healthy microbiome. You can grab it from the store, or hey, you can even brew it at home. Plus, it comes in all sorts of fun flavors. 4. Miso and tempeh. Alright, my plant-based friends, this one's for you. Miso and tempeh are fermented soy products that are packed with probiotics. Not only are they great sources of protein, but they help balance out your gut flora. You can add miso to soups or make tempeh sandwiches, and trust me, your gut will thank you. So, how much of these probiotic-rich foods should you eat? You don't need mountains of fermented foods. Starting with 1 serving a day is a great start. Whether it's a small bowl of yogurt or a side of sauerkraut, getting those probiotics regularly is key for long-term gut health. Consistency is key. Eating a variety of probiotic foods daily will help build and maintain a healthy microbiome over time. Probiotics are only half the story. Meet their perfect partners, prebiotics. Now, here's a quick gut health hack, prebiotics. You've probably heard of probiotics, but prebiotics are just as important. These are non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. So, eating foods like garlic, onions, leeks, and bananas helps nourish the probiotics you already have. It's like feeding the good guys in your gut army. Okay, now let's talk about what to avoid if you want to keep your gut happy and healthy. Sugary foods, processed junk, and artificial sweeteners can mess with your gut flora and lead to imbalanced bacteria. So it's not just about adding the good stuff. It's also about cutting out the bad stuff. Probiotics are amazing, but let's not forget the other pieces of the gut health puzzle. Stress management, quality sleep, and regular movement can help your gut function even better. So take a walk, get some good ZZZs, and find ways to relax because your gut will thank you. Alright, gut warriors, that's your complete guide to boosting your gut health naturally. Start adding probiotic foods to your meals and feel the difference from the inside out. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss more health tips. And don't forget to check out these other videos for even more ways to improve your digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. Let's keep those good bacteria strong. See you in the next video.